what STC can do, but others cannot.
Casting, forging,
Machining, fabrication, fasteners.
reverse engineering divisions under one global network. We simplify industrial challenges by combining expert engineers, skilled workforce, and world-class infrastructure to deliver results at scale. What makes STC different? Global group of engineering divisions working as one. Ability to manage £1 to £30,000 projects. Strong engineering network of experts, infrastructure, and investors.
On-time, worldwide delivery of assemblies and individual components. Flexibility by STC, precision for custom, mid-scale, and high-volume jobs. How we support you. No minimum order limitations. We handle both small and bulk projects. Struggling with vendor availability? We ensure reliable partnership worldwide. Worried about high costs? Our network delivers cost-competitive solutions. Projects with frequent design changes? We adapt quickly. Workload exceeding your team's capacity? We take on the complexity. Need multiple engineering inputs? Our divisions collaborate seamlessly. Want doorstep delivery? We ship globally. Industries we serve worldwide.
Oil and gas, marine, pharmaceuticals, food and dairy, construction and infrastructure, automobiles, nuclear energy, power, utilities, aerospace.
STC, the right choice for global projects. By bringing together manufacturing expertise, infrastructure strength, and global reach, STC ensures that even the most complex projects are executed smoothly. Companies across the world rely on us for both critical precision work and large-scale assemblies. Sharma Technocast, the ultimate engineering solution partner.